The cross-angry miserable DJ Bounty Killer is said to return to the UK after receiving back his visa which was denied for many years. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. After 15 years, dancehall veteran Rodney Price, more popularly known as Bounty Killer, is set to make a triumphant return to the United Kingdom. The entertainer told reporters that he hasn't visited the European country in more than a decade and confirmed that his fans living there can expect to see him soon. Bounty Killer recounted that the last time he visited the United Kingdom was in the year 2007 or 2008 was the last time he believed he visited the United Kingdom. At the time he visited with Ninja Man and he was at the Stratford Rec Centre. The entertainer says that he plans to promote his newly unveiled project, Time Bomb, a collaborative EP with him and Sham. Bounty Killer was issued a UK creative temporary work visa which may be issued to someone who works in the creative industries, for example an actor, dancer, musician or film crew. News of the popular DJ getting back his UK visa traveled far and wide after he made an announcement via his Instagram page on Monday. Rodney Price has been unable to perform in major overseas markets for years, including the United States, which his visa was cancelled in 2010. During an interview back in 2018 with a local media house, Bounty Killer said that the absence of a US visa restricted his ability to earn and impacted his musical career. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.